Hi, I'm Maria from FaceAge. Today we are going to talk about how to set up a professional Instagram ad campaign. If you own a skincare store and want to use Instagram ads smartly, this video is for you. Will old-fashioned product ads be responsive? In my opinion, no. I think one of the best ways to advertise on Instagram is to focus on creativity, and this is where you can use FaceAge. Instead of promoting your products directly, you can ask people to try FaceAge AI skin analysis for free. For example, in your posts, you can ask, "Want to know what's best for your skin?" and then ask them to try free AI skin analysis to see what products are perfect for their skin. For Instagram stories, I suggest focusing more on engagement, asking your customers to share their shopping experiences after using FaceAge. These approaches convey the message to your customers that they are not wasting their money and they are buying what is actually needed for their skin. When you are using Instagram Ads Manager, make sure that you target your audience precisely based on demographics, interests, shopping behavior, and even location. A challenging question. Is it better if only 2 people see your ads and convert, or if 50 people see your ads and none of them buys anything? The correct answer is, it depends. If the goal of your advertising is to increase sales, the first option is better. But if you want to have brand awareness, the second option is more important. So determine the customer targeting based on the goal of your campaign. For informational purposes, we determine simpler and more general criteria. Things like gender, age groups, and location are enough. For example, women living in Europe between the ages of 18 to 25. But for increasing sales, the segments are selected more carefully. For example, women who live in Texas and are over 30 and have made at least 3 purchases in the last month. A/B testing is a very important tool for optimizing your ads. You can try 2 different versions of your ads to see which one performs better. For example, in one version, you can show a model using your products and having a youthful and glowing skin. In the second version, you can show the customers who used the FaceAge and bought the recommended products that suited their skin. This helps you see which ad gets the most engagement and better conversion rate. Now let's talk about influencer marketing. One great way to advertise on Instagram is to collaborate with influencers who work in the field of skincare. You can suggest that they try FaceAge skin analysis and share their shopping experiences. This type of ad feels more genuine and effective, and when influencers share their real experiences, their followers are more likely to trust it. And that's it. My tips are over. I hope this video has been helpful. See you in another video. We are going to talk about another great platform. Which one would you like to see? Let me know in the comments. Until next time.